Hi friends, happy Friday. Are you guys ready for a completely different decorating aesthetic? If so, let's get started. So as you know, here in my house, I have an eclectic mix of pretty much everything, except I don't really have contemporary. I have farmhouse, I have French country, I have traditional, I have some vintage pieces, I have shabby chic, I've got boho. Well, now we're gonna try industrial with a maximalist sort of look to it. Now, that's the great thing, and that's the beauty about decorating and design. You can take a style and make it your own. I hate it when people say, well, industrial is woods and metals, very clean, very angular, and very cold. Why does it have to be cold? It can be all those things with warmth added in. Isn't that what you would want anyway? Anyway, that's what we're gonna attempt today. I mean, really, who wants a cold look and feel in their house? I mean, I don't know. I'm sure there's people that love that, but not your girl. Bring on the warmth. Bring on the cozy. Bring the ambiance. Okay, behind me you see a bookshelf. It's an industrial bookshelf. It's metal, it's wood, it's rustic. And we made it our own. We added these puck lights to every single shelf, and I added those lights up top. Now, the cords do show, but I think that sort of adds to the industrial look. I'm just gonna be honest, and I'm gonna leave it. We're gonna work around it. I really love this piece. Now again, excuse the cords, okay? We'll just kind of ignore that right now. But these puck lights are awesome. They will light up whatever I decide to put on the shelves. And I have a simple way to remedy this. I purchased some placemats on Amazon. I might use that as a textural element. I may not, I just don't know. But anyway, I love, love, love this piece. It was fairly inexpensive, super easy to put together. My husband had it put together in like 15 minutes. Let's get started. Now with these lights, they're awesome because you can purchase them on Amazon. There's no electrical wiring required, and you can just plug them into an outlet. I had this little light in there, and I replaced it for a big amber colored Edison bulb. I think it gives it a much better look, especially with the black. Start, I have this wood vase. I found it at Michael's. To that, I put in this dried floral picks. I'm gonna put that on the top shelf. Change of plans. I moved that arrangement from there to there, and then I got these placemats on Amazon. I believe they came in a set of 6, and they're not bendy, so they're perfect. And I thought this might add a nice textural element and also conceal the cord. So it serves sort of 2 purposes. Let's try it. So I want this look and feel to be sort of industrial boho and spa-ish. Something that's soothing, relaxing, that kind of thing. And I just purchased this new diffuser on Amazon. And of course, I'm putting in my Marriott ATTUNE scent. It smells so good, so good. And I'm gonna place this on top of 2 black books. So right right there on that shelf, I found this at Marshall's, and I'm gonna place 3 candle holders up there, but I don't have the taper candles, so we're just gonna, you'll get the look and feel. So I have these 3 black candle holders. I got these at TJ Maxx recently. I'm gonna place 2 up on the shelf and 1 down below. Now beside the shelf, I have this cute little wooden stool, found this on Amazon, and I'm gonna place a rustic wooden glass candle holder on top of it. This will tie in with the light colored vase you see there. So I have this pretty candle holder, and it's this pretty wood color and then a glass top, and the wood will tie into that piece right there, and of course the placemat. So what I'm gonna do is add some rocks to the inside of it and then add a candle, giving it a spa look. So I got this bowl filler of rocks at the at-home store, and I think it'll look really pretty in that little hurricane vase. Okay, so I put the bowl filler in there. Let me see if I can turn this off. And you can see it's really pretty. It's got all the different colors, and of course my flameless flickering candle, which I love. Now let's place it. Now when I turn the big overhead lights off, you can sort of get a look at it. Looks very warm and cozy, but this will all tie into what I'm going to do down below. So stay tuned. I've got to go gather some things. Okay, now because we have a placemat there, we're going to come down to on this shelf, trying to conceal that just a little bit. Okay, next I have these little, I don't even know what these are called, but they're cute, they're decorative, they look rusted, they look rustic, they're perfect. So I have a set of 3, and this is what I thought I would do with them. I think it looks cute. Okay, so while I was at Michael's, I found these. They're black and brown and speckled, and I just liked it. And here I have a little greenery pick that I got from Hobby Lobby. I bent it, and I'm just gonna stick it in here to kind of make a little floral arrangement. Okay, now I'm gonna place 1 in there and 1 in there, just to add a pop of green. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing with that one. Again, a greenery pick that I just bent. And when you bend it, what happens is it kind of holds it into place once you put it in here. So, cute. Now in the little one, I'm gonna put one of my flameless flickering candles, because I always have to add my ambiance. How cute is that?
I wanna start up something new. I wanna see things I have never seen before. I'm tired of these city streets. I would go anywhere as long as I'm with you. You see, you're all I see.
I made a real quick change. I took the grass down that was in the wood base and I've brought this out. I just feel like it's more appropriately balanced. So I'm gonna place that right there. Okay, moving right along, I found this rustic letter R at TJ Maxx, $7.99, and I'm gonna place it right here. Next, I have another little stool. This is smaller than the, it comes in a set of two, so I'm splitting them up, but super cute, good quality. I'm gonna sit this right next to the letter R. Next, I have this cute little plant. I'm gonna set that on top of the stool. Change of plans. I have this candle. It says After Hours. It's black, it's cute. This color goes with everything. So I'm just gonna set that right next to the topiary. Okay, now down on the next shelf, I have this rustic wood tray. That's sort of how it looks. I love it because the wood is sort of wavy. It just goes perfect in a log home. To this, I'm gonna add 2 lanterns with LED flameless flickering candles to add more ambiance. I'm going to add another placemat to conceal the wires. Now I have 2 of these amber colored lanterns with leather straps. Super cute. I found these at the at-home store. This was only $12.99. And I had a bigger one, but when I got up to the cash register, I noticed there was a big crack in it. And when I went back to get another one, all they had were the small ones left. So I have 2 of them. But the way I'm gonna make them appear like they're 2 different sizes, I'm gonna keep the leather strap up on this one, and on the second one, I'll let it hang down. So let me get my candle. To do this, I'm gonna add my flameless flickering candle. Lighting's so bad right now. Look how pretty that looks. Does that not legit look real? I'm gonna place this in the tray. Now you can see here, I have it sort of standing upward, the leather strap. Now the next one is just, it's gonna go right there and you'll see. So even though they're the same size, this one sort of appears to be taller because I left the strap up, and this one I left it down. Okay, now right here on this shelf, I'm keeping it super simple, especially for me. I'm just adding a simple basket. And I found this at Wegmans grocery store. I got 2, so we're just gonna do this on this shelf and then probably down on one of the other shelves. Okay, now down below, I have 2 of these little jars. I found these at TJ Maxx for $4.99 each. I put some black rocks on the bottom just to kind of weight them down. And now I'm gonna put some of this floral stuff on the inside just to add some texture. So down on the next shelf, I have this cute rustic stool. I found this at the at-home store for $14.99. I am keeping it super simple. I am going to put this on top and this beside it. That's it. Now, because we have a basket there, I'm going to go diagonal right there and place another basket. Now, down on the bottom shelf, I have 2 book boxes. To that, I found this pot at Wegmans grocery store, and I just placed some greenery in it. I'm gonna set that down there and put another one right beside it. And then this is another one. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has wood grain and it's very rustic and everything. Now down on the bottom shelf, I have this rustic tray, and I have just put some grapevine balls and with little sprigs of greenery in it, and that's going to go on the bottom shelf. All right, I made another change. This happens when I start playing. I'm like, don't like that. Okay, I gotta change that. Anyway, I changed that. They were elevated too high. It wasn't meshing with this side. I think it looks much better. I tried to conceal the cord a little better, and now I like it. All right, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. As you can see, this is something totally new and different in my house, and I'm absolutely loving it. And so is the whole family. We're all enjoying the change. Now, am I gonna keep this? I don't know. I just don't know. I think once fall rolls around, you're gonna see pumpkins and all kinds of stuff on that shelf. But for now, I'm kind of liking the industrial boho-ish kind of look, spa look. So anyway, have a wonderful 4th of July weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah!